Alright guys, so this video is about the killer entry strategy that everyone is afraid to take, and I will show you how it's done. But before we start, I want to show you some examples of how a lot of other traders typically take trades, and I'm pretty sure when you're watching this, you are one of those typical traders. Now, it's not to say that it's wrong. However, it is more safe and extremely safe the trades that you guys are actually take. Okay, so that means when price is bullish, okay, a lot of people are trained to take entries based off of a change of character. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know what that is. It's a chalk, right? Once price approaches another low like this, we anticipate for prices to break this low right here, right? Long story short, everyone is waiting for prices to come back to a supply zone. It's very typical for a lot of traders to do this, right? And then once price comes into your supply, you then enter, right? Now, this is a safe haven for a lot of traders. This is a confirmational entry, right? Versus an entry if you were just to take it aggressive from the supply zone from up here, let's just say, right? So this would be the aggressive entry. And the confirmation entry would be here, right? Now, again, it's not wrong to do this. However, it's very safe and less likely to happen more times than not, meaning that it may not happen a lot of times. And then obviously we understand in the markets, a lot of the setups in the markets don't happen 100% of the time. We have to be cautious and obviously available to understand this kind of information, that everything doesn't happen 110%. So I'm going to show you a killer entry, the extreme killer entry that a lot of traders are fearing to take because they don't have a confirmational entry like this perfect setup, okay? It's not to say that I don't take these entries. However, I take entries that are earlier, that happen earlier before this. Okay, so let's talk about this right here. So this is the entry that a lot of people fear to take. Let's go here, right there. All right. So say for example, we had before the change of character. Okay, and I actually encourage a lot of traders to take trades before the change of character. Before the change of character happened here. Okay. This contradicts, right? So the higher highs here, right? The bullish market is contradicting the bearish market. So before price even falls, right? This is where we're standing off right now. A lot of traders are waiting for prices to have this low broken. Why? Because it confirms that the market will continue to want to go bearish, right? It'll confirm that that the suppliers are strong.